Hello students, how are you? Today we have faced the test of chapter 4 quadratic equation. I think maximum they can score full marks and they will score if they have revised seriously. So even now I am doing the solution, so you can tally first answer, later on I will send the result. So what was the first question? If Px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial and px equal to 0 for a not equal to 0 is called quadratic expression, quadratic function, quadratic equation. So my dear students, it is the quadratic expression. You can say quadratic polynomial. If this quadratic polynomial equal to 0, then it becomes equation. And you know very well it was told equation means left hand side is there, right hand side is there. So its answer is quadratic equation. Now second question was, for the given quadratic equation, if this equation is given, what is the discriminant is given by? And it was told, what is discriminant? Discriminant, it is the relation between the A, B and C. Clear this? And it was given this B square minus 4AC is known as discriminant, which tells the nature of the roots. Understand? So keep in mind. So its answer is B square minus 4AC. And third question was, the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two distinct real roots. So distinct real roots. So about D is speaking. So for distinct real roots, it was told, explained every result. You are getting first B square 4AC. If D greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. So its answer is greater than 0. If D greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. And if D equal to 0, roots are real and equal. And next is, if D less than 0, then equation has no real roots. Understand? In 11th class, you can solve imaginary roots if D minus is coming. So now, fifth question. What is fifth question? The quadratic equation has two equal roots. So if for equal roots, what is the condition? D equal to 0 is the answer. Clear this? So this D equal to 0 is the answer. And now fourth question left here. What is the fourth question? The quadratic equation has no real roots. If D for no real roots, I have told D less than 0, this part is correct. Understand? Now sixth question. What is asking? The value of discriminant of the quadratic equation root 3x square plus 2 root 3x minus 2 root 3 0. We have to find out the discriminant. Matlab B is equal to B square minus 4AC you have to find out. So first you compare with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is A? A is equal to root 3, B is equal to 2 root 2, C is equal to 2 root 3. So discriminant value is B square minus 4AC. So 2 root 2 minus 4. A is root 3 and C is minus 2. So 2 square 2 root 2. 2 root 2 means 2 root 2 multiply 2 root 2. 2 to ja 4 root 2 2. So 4 to ja 8. And minus into minus plus 4 to ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. Minus minus plus 4 to the 8. Root 3. 4 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 8 32. So its answer is C part. 32 is correct discriminant. Understand? So now, what was the next question? Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and product is 143. It is simple question from 4.2 exercise. Statement is changed but method is same. So what is, how you have to find out? Find the two numbers whose sum is 24. So let first number x, therefore second number 24 minus x. So according to question he is saying their product is 143. X into 24 minus x is equal to 143. So now multiply. Using two number, sum is 24, product is 143. And their sum, you see, if x is first and then second is 24 minus x. Their product is 143. Now x, multiply this 24x minus x square. Clear this? So minus x square plus 24x, shift this 143 this side. So now next step, divide both sides by minus 1. If you divide, this is x square minus 24x plus 143 equal to 0. So now you make the factor. If you multiply, then 143 will come. Clear this? And what are the factors you see? If I say divisible by 11, 11 1 is 11, 11 3 is very simple. If you multiply, then 143, add and subtract 24. So 11 minus 11 and minus 13. Minus minus plus. Minus 11 minus 13. Minus 24. So these are the factors. So x common, x minus 11. Minus 13 common, x minus 11. So x minus 11, x minus 13. So either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So one answer is 11, another answer is 13. So 13, 11 is the correct answer. Hear this. Any problem? So next question, 8th question. For what value of k the equation has equal roots? So you know very well, condition we have told upside. So for equal roots, we are solving question number 8. We are solving for equal roots. What is the condition? D equal to 0 and equation was given 9x square minus kx plus 81 equal to 0. So for equal roots, D equal to 0. So it means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So minus k square minus 4a into c. So minus, here it is plus k square because minus square is always positive. Now it is 4 9 are 36 into 81. Clear this? So it is k square. Shift that side, 36 into 81. Clear this? So you know very well, if I remove the square, then that side plus minus square root will come. So plus minus 36 square root 6, 21 81 square root 9. So 9 6 are 54. Don't waste time. Some students they multiply 36 into 81. Then they will find out the pair and then square root. That is very tough. Lengthy, not tough, lengthy is there. You waste the time. So in this way also you can do this. You got 36 square root 6, 81, 9. So its answer is plus minus 54. So ninth question was, if one root of the quadratic equation, this is the quadratic equation, 2x square plus kx minus 6 is equal to 0. If one root is 2, if root is 2, it means that is value, one value of x is given. That is, root means solution is given. If x is equal to 2 is the root, it means 2 is the solution. So put x is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 square plus k into 2 minus 6. 2k minus 6. 2 for the 8. 8 minus 6, 2. And that is, you can see 2 square 4. 4 to the 8. And then here, what do you say? One root of quadratic equation is 2. Find the value of k. So it's, you see 2 for the 8. 2k minus 6 equals 0. So 2k, 2 for the 8 and 6, that side minus 2. So k is equal to minus 2 by 2. Then k is equal to minus 1 will come. So 2k square. So its value, ninth question answer is, its C part, it is, its value is minus 1. So that is C part, minus 1 is the answer. Clear this? Now, 10th question was, 10th question, the roots of quadratic equation 25x square, what is asking? Roots of this quadratic equation 25x square plus 20x plus 7 is equal to 0. What is saying? He is asking, you tell about roots, real and imaginary, real and distinct, imaginary, can't see. So, for the nature of roots he is asking, you find out D. D means b square minus 4ac. So this is 20 square, 4. A is 25 and C is 7. Near this 20 square, 20 into 20. And 25 into 4, 100. 100 into 7, 700. Then it is minus 300. It means D less than 0. So if D less than 0, so it means equation has no real roots. You can't find out. But in 11th class, 12th class, you can find out. If D is negative, then roots are imaginary roots. Clear this? So, what do you say? So, answer is imaginary roots. So, imaginary roots, one is roots, if D equal to 0, greater than 0, then roots are real. If D less than 0, then it means roots are not real, or you can say roots are imaginary. Understand? So in this way, so any question 2 or 3 extra they can give in exam also. So my students, so we have to revise the chapter deeply from every extra book. Thank you. Have a good day.